Evelyn Witkin. Evelyn M. Witkin was born on 9 March 1921 in New York City, United States of America. Growing up during a time when women in science were rare. At that moment, women in science were not much. Witkin showed early intellectual curiosity and a passion for life. She commuted to attend high school in Manhattan at Washington Irving High School, then an all-girls school. It was an all-girls school at then, where she was encouraged, she was inspired to pursue her interest in science. She pursued her undergraduate studies at NYU, New York University, where she received her bachelor's degree in 1941. Her passion for genetics led her to Columbia University. Her passion for genetics led her to Columbia University, where she began graduate studies in zoology. At Columbia, she studied under geneticist Theodosius Dobzhansky. She studied under the geneticist Theodosius Dobzhansky, a prominent figure in evolutionary biology. Her early interest in genetic mutations and DNA repair was sparked by the work of other pioneering scientists in this field. And she would go on to contribute significantly to the understanding of DNA repair mechanisms. And that was the exact happening. That was as happened. Witkin's research career took off in the early 1940s, during which she began focusing on the genetics of bacteria and their response to radiation. At Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory in 1944, she discovered mutations in E. coli. She discovered mutations in Escherichia coli that conferred resistance to UV radiation. This was a groundbreaking discovery. As it demonstrated that bacteria could mutate in ways that allow them to survive otherwise lethal doses of radiation. It was a groundbreaking discovery. Her work laid the foundation for understanding DNA repair mechanisms, the processes cells use to identify and correct damage to DNA molecules that encode their genomes. Witkin's research into how cells respond to DNA damage would eventually lead to the discovery of the SOS response in bacteria. a cellular repair system that is activated when DNA is heavily damaged. This was a fundamental discovery in genetics, revealing a highly regulated system of repair that bacteria use to maintain genomic stability. Witkin's work on the SOS response was instrumental in showing that cells could sense DNA damage and activate specific genes to repair it. The SOS response includes a coordinated induction of DNA repair genes that allows cells to temporarily stop cell division and focus resources on repairing their DNA. This discovery has had far-reaching implications, as similar repair pathways are present in more complex organisms, including humans. This breakthrough research also had implications in cancer biology. This breakthrough research also had implications in cancer biology, as mutations in DNA repair mechanisms can lead to uncontrolled cell growth and cancer. Understanding DNA repair processes, including the SOS response, has provided a basis for developing therapies that target these pathways in cancer cells. In addition to her groundbreaking research, Witkin held various academic positions and was highly respected as a professor and a mentor. She was highly respected as a professor and a mentor. After working at Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory, she continued her research at the State University of New York. She continued her research at SARI and later at Rogers University. After working at Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory, she continued her research at SARI and later at Rogers University. At Rogers, she continued her work on DNA repair, studying mutagenesis and the molecular biology of DNA damaging agents. Her mentorship and guidance inspired many young scientists. Her mentorship and guidance inspired many young scientists, especially women, in a field where female representation was still minimal. She was known for her dedication to teaching and for her encouragement of students to pursue their scientific curiosity. She was known for that. She was known for her dedication to teaching and for encouragement of students to pursue their scientific curiosities. Evelyn Witkin's contributions to genetics and molecular biology have been widely recognized. Some of her notable awards include the National Medal of Science 2002. She was awarded by the President of the United States, and then George Bush. He awarded her with the National Medal of Science. This is one of the highest honors in American science. The National Medal of Science is one of the highest honors in America, particularly, just like the Presidential Medal of Freedom. And also, she received Lasker Award for Basic Medical Research in the year 2015. Along with Stephen Elliott, Witkin received this prestigious award for her pioneering work on the DNA damage response. This accolade solidified her legacy as a pioneer in the field of DNA repair. This accolade solidified her legacy as a pioneer in the field of DNA repair. Evelyn Witkin's research on DNA repair has had a profound and lasting impact on the fields of genetics, cancer research, and molecular biology. Her work helped to establish the fundamental principles of how organisms respond to genetic damage, knowledge that has been critical in understanding cancer biology, aging, and genetic diseases. Her pioneering discoveries continue to be foundational in the field of DNA repair and mutagenesis, and her contributions to understanding the molecular responses to DNA damage remain central to advances in cancer treatment and other medical therapies. Evelyn Witkin's life was marked by intellectual rigor and a deep commitment to science. Her life was marked by intellectual rigor and a deep commitment to science, known for her humility and dedication. She has been an inspiration to both her students and fellow researchers. As of her later years, she remained engaged with the scientific community and continued to be recognized as one of the foremost contributors to genetic research. She continued to be recognized as one of the foremost contributors to genetic research. Evelyn M. Witkin's legacy in genetics is one of groundbreaking discoveries and profound impacts. Her pioneering work on the mechanisms of DNA repair and SOS response in bacteria has provided critical insights that have shaped modern genetics, cancer research, and molecular biology. Her career served as a testament to the power of scientific curiosity. Her career serves as a testament to the power of scientific curiosity and perseverance, making her a highly respected figure in the scientific world. She is always remembered. Evelyn M. Witkins passed away in the month of July 2023. She passed away on July 9, 2023. A great scientist, a pioneer, a professor emerita, a teacher, and a mentor. If you want to know more about the life and work of Evelyn M. Witkins, you can follow the following references. I would like to refer you to the American Academy of Arts and Sciences. You can refer to Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory Archives. You can refer to the archives of Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory. You can also refer to Waxman Institute of Microbiology. You can also refer to the Journal of Clinical Investigation. You can also refer to Sunny Downstate Medical Center, State University of New York, Downstate Medical Center. You can also refer to the Encyclopedia Britannica. You can also refer to the Encyclopedia of World Scientists.